So before we jump into the actual course, let's take a minute and explore the data set that we have shared with you. I strongly urge you to make sure that you have downloaded the data by now and have it open with you on your own computer so that you can follow along with us step by step. What we have over here is the sheet known as XLOOKUP practice dataset, and within this you have 3 different tabs of data. So let's start with the first one. This is known as the sales achievement data, and in this sheet you have person IDs of 20 employees and their sales achievement data. So the premise that we are working within is that you're performing some analysis for a sales department of a company, and here you have received the data of what these persons who are identified by their person ID have achieved in this last 1 month. So we will use this as the base of all our functions, and then in the other sheets we will look at what are the lists of values that we will be referencing in our project. So here is the second tab where we have the lists of values, and the first list that you see has the names of countries where this company operates in, and what are the cities within these countries where you have your employees doing their sales. So we have India, Australia and Germany. Within India we are present in 2 cities, Delhi and Mumbai. Within Australia we are in Sydney, Melbourne and Adelaide, and in Germany we are in Berlin and Frankfurt. Over here you will see that each country is also mapped to a region. So India and Australia are mapped to the East region, while Germany is mapped to the West region. And then finally over here you have some kind of ranges which signify what kind of target achievement signifies what kind of performance. So you can see over here that you have a 0 to 40% range, 40 to 75% range, 75 to 90, and then 90 to 100. And we are saying that your performance can be categorized into one of these 5 categories: below expectation, bronze, silver, gold, and finally at the highest level, platinum. So here are your basic reference tables that we will use for our XLOOKUP functions. And then in order to actually understand our data better, what we've done in the employee data table is created the mapping of each of these person IDs to actual names of the employees who are working with us. And you can see that there is a lot of additional information which is available over here. It seems that for each person you have their name. So Brady, for example, works in the phenomenal city of Adelaide. He has a sales target of 3,900 and he sells the product line known as Gamma. And additionally, we get some idea of his team size, and it seems he manages a team of 3 people. So that's an overview of our data set, and now let's jump into the actual project.